welcome back to our channel. Yes. And my channel, I mean, because I have my cousin.
Yeah, but this is Ate Cate, and but that one was my channel, but the other one was my channel. So click subscribe in the button right down below. Subscribe.
It's kind of noisy.
She's crazy now. She's crazy now. She's crazy.
Here's our Kuya. Kuya Aki, say hi first. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna tell you something. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and then hit that download and then hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you hit this button. So let's get started with the slime. Wait. Let's get started with the slime first. This is not actually our slime. So we're just gonna get our slime. Wait, let's go get it. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Arya! Arya, this is long way. It's right here.
Hey, that's my slime. Here's your slime.
It's upstairs. I can't believe Arya have the new one.
I have a new one.
You know what?
It's my slime. It's so small. I know my slime is so big. So this
Guys, comment down below if we can do another vlog. So, hey, put your containers right up.
I want to do a slime again.
So it's kind of cool because
this is so much slime.
You put. So you guys.
Wow.
Okay. You guys, this is actually my channel.
You drew it.
Arya's channel. You better watch her channel. It's so cool, and she even made it.
We forgot to click on the button. Look, my mouth. Click on the subscribe button down below. Right down here.
So Kate also have her own channel. It is so pretty too and beloved. And
I have phone now on my birthday. My channel is for my birthday, so I'm just gonna tomorrow it's my birthday.
And then tomorrow is your birthday.
And I'm gonna be 5. I'm gonna be 6. I'm gonna be 5. And then if you want circle,
that's her mommy.
Why not?
Because that's my birthday.
So you guys,
So I run away from my mommy. Hey.
You guys, I'm so sorry for this noisy. Kuya Aki, you have your own channel, right?
Yeah.
He have his own channel. It's so kind of cool. He played Roblox and Minecraft.
But I don't like Roblox, but I am so ugly.
What?
I'm so ugly.
Oh my gosh, I don't see that. Zach, you have your own vlog, right?
You have your own
Subscribe to my channel. My name is Adam B99.
So also subscribe to
your bracelet.
I don't have a bracelet.
Sorry. Where's your
Zach, you have your own channel, right? You have your own channel, right?
My name is Boobian. Where's your I'm just gonna make a bomb.
So guys, I am so sorry. It's kind of noisy. Those two are making some noises.
Just whatever house.
Oh my gosh!
Thanks.
Here, guys,
We're making a vlog.
Oh, wow.
Zach, are you done with my phone?
and then
Zach. Later na lang pag uwi ka.
I have a bracelet now for my slime.
I love Arya's slime.
I love Arya's slime. May I borrow your slime? Yeah. Okay. Because my slime is so very small. We have our own bag here.
I know.
Okay. Guys, let's make a big circle. The iPids one. Ice.
Kuya Aki, what is the name of your channel again?
Secret.
What?
Mamaya.
Okay.
Naka-inventa